ASST stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at asset entities, I'm actually not that surprised that it's kind of going a bit down, because it's my demand zone and I'm still very, very open-minded to take it further up as long as the price gives the rules. This might sound like a fake little call-out pump, right? No. Like, if you've been watching my videos, you know me. Been in the game for 5 years, done 41,000 videos like no one else. And the first video that I ever made on ASST was when it was $3, hoping to take it further up, right? And this was called out on my YouTube channel a month ago. It was $3. And then the next day, like, pretty much, we took the highs out, delivered to 8. The top there was 13. And all I have to say is that I'm still willing to milk it up or go for the second runner as long as there is a double break. And if there's not a double break, I'm not buying. Simple. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.